Hello, it's Keith from Kinvert, and in this video I want to go over one of the conditions that will reverse the sign of an inequality here. So imagine if we'll just use a simple one, x is greater than 1. Alright, now let's actually look at a different version of this, okay? And let's say that 1 is less than or equal to x. Right? So let's look at this. We've got the values of x that are going to work. And we remember that this one, since it's greater than or equal to, it goes like this. These are the possible values for x, right? All the way out to infinity. X will not go below 1. But if you're solving this, and remember, usually these are going to be more complicated, there's going to be more stuff attached to x, you're usually going to want to swap x over to the other side. And what's that going to do? So let's rewrite this. If you were to just swap x over and say x is less than or equal to 1, well, now let's draw what that would look like. It would look like this. And you just completely changed the problem, right? So that these things are no longer equivalent. So it is in a case like this where you are swapping x to the other side that you would now want to fix this and say x is greater than or equal to 1. You do not want to sit there and accidentally, and this would end up looking like this, right? It'd basically be right over top, but it's basically the same thing as this. You want to make sure that your x's overlap. Sorry, I just got a message. So this yellow one, this one's wrong, this is bad, right? When you swap the side of x, it is important that you swap the sign of the inequality as well, so that you end up with this. So I hope that made sense. This is kind of a graphical way to look at it. If you've got time in a test, for example, you could draw out the inequality and then make sure at the end that things are still pointing the right way, if that makes sense. So this is Keith from Kinvert. This is part of our online course we'll probably put this in algebra and pre-calc. Hope this was helpful, and we will see you guys later. Bye-bye.